Hi friends, hope you're doing good. Welcome. Before we get into today's video, let me introduce a word which is often used by many of us in India. What is that word? That word is Jugaad. So what is Jugaad? Jugaad, as per Google, is flexible approach to problem solving with limited resources in an innovative way. So flexible approach, limited resources, innovative way to a solution. In my view, the word Jugaad has got a philosophical meaning. In spirit, it means get things done without complaining. Get things done with the resources which are available and move on. The reason for making this video is, in some of our earlier videos, either on jump rope mats or on jump ropes, there were comments from viewers who were asking for suggestions or recommendations for good jump rope mats. And there were a few other comments which were saying that good jump rope mats either were not accessible in the markets they were in, or if they were accessible or available, they were not affordable at all. I would tend to agree with all these comments. So it's in this context that I wanted to make this video on a Jugaad jump rope mat. I had a few suggestions to make. We will see what are these Jugaad jump rope mats today. Okay, so this is suggestion 1 for a Jugaad jump rope mat. I'm sure all of you know what this is. This is nothing but a simple plain cardboard sheet which is part of a cardboard box, packing material, whatever. So when I saw this mat, not a mat, when I saw this cardboard sheet, I thought it could serve the purpose of a jump rope mat, with the objective being to protect the rope, extend the life of the rope at the point of contact. If you have seen my earlier video on jump rope mat, you would recall that we had said if you are using light jump ropes or beaded jump ropes, most of the jump rope mats which are available in the market, be it a yoga mat or any other mat, would serve the purpose because the slippage won't be too much. But if you are using a heavy jump rope, we need to go for a specialized mat. Let us see how this cardboard sheet holds up with a heavy jump rope. For the purpose of today's video, I have brought along with me this 500 gram boxer Muay Thai jump rope, a heavy jump rope. Let's give a test jump on this cardboard sheet. I'm seeing if it's slipping. No, not much at all. It's actually holding up better than a yoga mat. So that was just a sample jump with a cardboard sheet. I'm really happy that I made this video and it turned out to be pretty okay also. So this is one Jugaad jump rope mat, which is suggestion 1. Now we'll go to suggestion 2. Okay, so this is suggestion 2 for a Jugaad jump rope mat. This is a piece of MDF panel which has been lying on my terrace for I don't know how many months. I have crossed and gone past it so many times without giving it a second glance. But when this thought of making this video came and I saw this again last few days back, it was like a flash. Why can't I use this as a jumping surface? So that's what we will do now. Okay. This is actually much more stable than the... I spoiled my trouser also, but that's okay, all for the sake of YouTube. Okay, it's much more stable than this cardboard sheet. Let us see how it feels. It's not even budging. Fantastic. Really smooth surface. Very smooth surface for the rope to contact the ground, and I'm sure it will extend the life of the rope. So those were 2 jump rope mat Jugaads that I had in mind. In case accessibility is not an issue, availability is not an issue, and most importantly, affordability is not an issue, my suggestion for one of the best jump rope mats available in the market is given in detail in the previous video we made on jump rope mats. If you're interested, please do have a look at that video. But in case any of these three things, accessibility, availability or affordability is an issue, these are good Jugaad jump rope mats which can be used. I think that's it for today's video. Before I go, certainly yes, in case any of you have had a successful Jugaad solution to a problem, I'll be very keen to hear it in the comment section. Feel free to leave your comments, question, feedback. It's always a pleasure to read and reply to each of your comments. Till we see in the next video, enjoy your jumps, stay safe, take care, bye bye, good night.